Hi everyone, my name is Brazil Arancon, and the question is, do you know your net worth? No, I don't know my net worth yet, maybe someday. Number two, are you an investor or a trader? I'm neither an investor or a trader right now, but I'm interested on how to be an investor and to be learned. Number three, investment interest. I'm interested in stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. Number four, can finance help you form your life goals? How? Yes, finance can help me form life goals by teaching me how to save, invest, and plan for the future, ensuring financial stability. Number 5, can these goals be met by having accounting skills only? Why and why not? No. Accounting skills alone might not be enough because I also need knowledge in investing, financial planning, and understanding market trends to achieve my financial goals. Number 6, what kind of investment are you up to and why? I'm interested in stocks because they can offer high returns over time. 7. One big question for your professor. My question is, how can I effectively start investing as a beginner? 8. Are you a morning lark or a night owl? My answer is, I am a night owl. Last, fears for this class. My fear is not understanding complex financial concepts and falling behind. Thank you.